Guys, alam ko naghahanap ka ng mura at magandang dashcam. Ito, meron akong maire-recommend sa inyo. Introducing 70My M310. Ito ang magandang dashcam na pasok sa inyong budget na may magandang image quality for the price range na hinahanap mo. Gusto mo makita? Tara, unbox natin. Okay guys, let's go. Unbox na natin tong ating dashcam, the 70My M310. Okay, very small idol Ayan. So nandito yung feature sa gilid. And then also, separate po yung box ng kanyang hardware kit. Ayan. Okay, then buksan na natin. Let's check inside. Okay, catalog. Sakaling gusto po ninyong i-DIY, basahin po muna ninyo ang catalog para kompleto ang inyong pagkakabit. And also yung kanyang static sticker para ikabit sa inyong windshield before yung dashcam. At narito po yung kanyang mismong dashcam unit. So this dashcam comes with 3MP 1296p resolution with 2.0 aperture, 130 degrees field of view capture, detailed driving records. Natin enforces with road safety with key features like 24-hour parking surveillance and also emergency recording with loop recording. At narito rin po yung kanyang 12-volt socket. Ayan, just in case kayo po mismo ang magkakabit. And also yung cord or wire para sa kanyang 12-volt socket with USB port. Okay, USB cable. And then also meron po siyang provided dito na spatula, no? Pangsungkit po ninyo sa inyong pillar just in case kayo po mismo ang magkakabit ng inyong dashcam. And narito rin po yung kanyang hardware kit. Okay? So, take note guys, wag po kayo magkakabit kung hindi po kayo maalam pagdating po sa electrical. If I were you, mag-hire po kayo ng magaling po na magkakabit, professional na magkakabit nito or installer para nang sa gayon po sigurado po safe ang inyong pagkakabit ng inyong dashcam.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, ayan, naka-install na po yung ating dashcam. Okay, as you can see, very small lang po siya. Halos kasing laki lang po siya ng 1.5 battery, yung ginagamit po natin sa flashlight. And very minimalist, no? And adjustable din po siya, up and down, according to your viewing preference, And meron nakita po kayo dito green LED light, that means recording po yung ating dashcam. At kung sakaling mag-blue po yan, that means not recording yung ating dashcam. At kung sakaling mag-red po yan, that means may error po sa ating recording. And yung middle po, ito po yung button natin for on and off. Okay? And at the back, yung makikita po kayo dito, type C port para sa ating power and a slot para sa ating SD card. And if you want to hear yung ating voice command, okay, so try natin mga idol, no? Magre-respond po yung ating dashcam. Okay, take photo. See? So pinicture na niya na yung mga idol. Next is lock the video. Okay, next is turn on audio. Next is turn off audio. Next, turn on hotspot. Next is turn off hotspot. So as you can see guys, sobrang responsive po ng ating dashcam, no? Although wala po kayo nakikita ditong video or any kind na parang visual, no? But everything is in your cellphone na po. Makikita nyo na po yan lahat, mga yan sa inyong cellphone. Guys, tingnan ninyo. Ito ang kuha natin during daytime. Real time natin tong kinukuha, idol. Napakaganda ng image quality. Kitang-kita lahat ng view. Sobrang linaw. Diba? Anong masasabi nyo dito? Okay guys, tingnan ninyo. Ito po ang actual footage using this 70mm M310. Okay? Sobrang linaw kahit napakadilim po ng daanan. Kitang-kita mo yung buong harapan, yung image quality. It's perfect for the price. Ito na yung dashcam na para sa inyo o babagay sa inyo. O guys, sa mga gustong umorder ng dashcam na ito, all you have to do is i-click ninyo ang shopping link dyan mismo sa description box. Okay? Maraming salamat for watching the Car Loan Expert.